Hello friends, this is Rajesh and you're watching Input Output Campus. So friends, today in this video we'll learn about the time complexity. How to calculate the time complexity of a program in a very easy way. Okay friends, if you don't know anything about the time complexity, how to calculate, then don't worry, we'll learn to calculate the time complexity of any program in a very easy and simple way. Okay. So here you can see we have to write a program, and inside the main function there is nothing, and if I write here some statement, suppose if I write here hello world, so this is a statement. So in any operating system, if you run this program, then in everywhere it will be constant. So the time taken to run this program is suppose 1 unit. So inside a function, if there is a single statement, then it takes 1 unit of time. Okay, so for this the time complexity will be order of 1. So why order of 1? So here 1 is a constant. So here this is constant. This takes constant amount of time. So we can write it as order of 1. So here 1 is for constant. Okay. So this is the time complexity. So for this program, the time complexity is order of 1. Okay. So now if we write here a for loop. So suppose for int I equals to 1, I less than equals to n, I plus plus. Okay. And here the value of n is equals to 10. So then for this program, what will be the time complexity? So we'll see each and every line. Okay, so the first line is, so inside the main function, the first line is integer n equals to 10. So this is a single statement, and for this the time is equals to 1 unit. Okay. So next there is a for loop, and inside this for loop there is a single statement, and you know, for a single statement the time taken is 1 unit, and the for loop will iterate n times. So the hello world will print n number of times. So the time taken for this for loop is n unit. Now what is the time complexity for this program? So the time complexity is 1 plus n. So for the first statement this is 1 unit, and for this for loop it takes n unit of time. So the total time taken is 1 plus n, and here 1 is a constant and n is variable. So we'll take the maximum amount of time. So here between 1 and n is greater, so the time complexity for this is order of n. So instead of writing order of n plus 1, we'll take the maximum unit of time. So the maximum unit of time is n. So here the time complexity for this program is order of n. Okay, so this was the very basics to understand the time complexity. So in the upcoming videos we'll learn more about the time complexity. Okay friends, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to this channel. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.